are going to running the 4mm CZU Purlin line. Here we can see it is a hydraulic decoiler combined with the press arm. Then let's come to the separate punching unit. This is a feeding table combined with the servo feeding unit. Over there it is the servo motor. Then it is the leveling unit. For the leveling unit we add the gear and that lifting gear to improve the leveling power, to make the sheet more flat. And here we can see the hydraulic punching unit. We can check how it's working. For the hydraulic pump station, we add this storage tank, and this is a fan cooling. Here is the hydraulic pre-cutting unit, and we can check the hole has been punched. Then let's move to the foaming unit. The foaming unit combined with the passing killer stand and gearbox transmission, and we add another set of leveling units during the foaming. 5-roller leveling, and here is the height auto size change, and over there it is the width auto size change, and both of them driven by the servo motor, and the motor power it is 2.3 kW. They will be moving right and left automatically by this rail. The height, both sides can move, but for the width, one side is fixed and this side can be moved automatically. Then we can check the foaming. And we can check the roller. It is running slowly right now. And some side roller to roll the side. Then let's come to the hydraulic cutting unit. The cutting unit we adapt with combination cutting. We can have a general view of it firstly. Later I will show you carefully. And here are the testing workpiece. Later I will measure the size to check the tolerance. Weight is 302. 好了 302. Okay, this one.